Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Islam Ahmed, your Arabic guide. And today we're going to learn Noor Albayan book. This is the best book if you want to learn Arabic reading. So it is for you, for your children, no matter how old you are. I have been teaching this book for a very long time, and I discovered that this book is suitable for everyone who wants to learn Arabic. So let's start directly. We will just read the letters so you know the correct pronunciation. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, Jim, Jim, Ha, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Zal, Zal, Ra, Ra, Zay, Zay, Sin, Sin, Shin, Shin, Sad, Sad, Dad, Dad, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Fa, Fa, Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Ha, Ha, Waw, Waw, Hamza, Hamza, Ya, Ya. And by the way, this is not how we pronounce the letters. Those are, you can say the letters names. So for example, this letter name is Qaf, and when we pronounce it like Qa, Qi, or Qu, as following, inshallah. So this is our first lesson. Inshallah, we'll continue reading all the book until we finish it. That's it for today. See you inshallah next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.